are going to use, and for right hand derivative, what formula you are going to use? Left. Thermometer. See, please pay attention here. See, for left hand derivative and right hand derivative, what formula you are going to? LHD means left hand derivative. For left hand derivative, what we are going to write? Limit h tends to 0. Now, limit h tends to 0, f of c minus h minus f of c by minus h. This is for left hand. Right hand derivative when you are using, we are going to write limit h tends to 0, f of c plus h minus f of c by h. So this is the derivative formula we are using when we are doing left hand and right hand. If left side and right side both are equal, then only we are considering it as differentiable. So when left side and right side both are same, then only we are considering it as differentiable. Okay. Now, beta, one question is there. That question been asked in CBSE. They take questions. First, we are going to do how to solve this question. First, I am teaching you. This question came in CBSE 2020. So we must do this pattern questions. The question is, just go for this. This formula you understood now. So I am going to leave this formula for you. We will be going for the question. The question is, you have to find the differentiability of f of x is equal to x modulus of x. You have to check the differentiability of modulus of this at x equal to 0. One single answer. Is it differentiable? Is it going to be differentiable? No. Because modulus is there. And modulus will not be differentiable at x equal to 0. So you know the answer. Correct? No? Because x into modulus of x, yet modulus is there. So it will not be differentiable at x equal to 0. But we need to solve it. We need to prove it. So how we are going to check this one out? How we are going to solve this part? Check this one section very carefully. So first time f of x will become x into modulus of x. One time it will become minus x square when x is less than 0. It will become x square when x will be greater equals 0. Done? I hope you might have understood. So we will be doing like this, minus x square and x square. Look at left hand derivative of somebody, because here we have to check differentiability at 0. So what is c here? C will become 0. Remember this. Understood? Now strictly how we are going to do? Based on the formula, how strictly we are going to solve the question. LHD, left hand derivative at x equal to 0. So here it will become limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h minus f of 0 by minus h. Then according to there, wherever 0 is this, that 0, wherever c is there, that will become the critical point. And they told the critical point here is x equal to 0. So strictly we are going to put x equal to 0 there. So once we put x equal to 0 here, what it will become? Left side, limit h tends to 0, f of x for left side, it is minus x square. That means f of 0 minus h will become 0 minus h minus whole square. So it is coming minus h square. So it will become minus h square. And when you will put f of 0, it will become minus 0 square. It will become 0. So it is coming as minus 0 by minus h. So limit h tends to 0 minus h square by minus h. This and this will get cancelled. This answer is coming as 0. Then, now go for RHL. Understood? So here one thing we are checking that, is it going to be differentiable there? Hello Abhishek. So now look here, RHD. So if somebody will be asking you RHD, right hand derivative, then what you are going to write there? Limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. Now here what we are going to do? Directly f of 0 plus h means 0 plus h whole square. F of 0 means 0. So it will become h square minus 0 by h. So here it is coming. Limit h tends to 0 by h. It is not about continuity, it is about differentiability. And differentiability means we learned one thing, that when you will be going for x along with modulus, the application is changing. Did you got this point? So here right hand derivative and left hand derivative both is giving as 0. So that means the moment x got multiplied with x, it is exactly proving the point. Correct na everybody? Did you understood here? So what we are going to say? We will say that the function is differentiable. The function is differentiable, and the function is differentiable at what point? X is equal to 0. Got it? Usually it is not going to be if it is only modulus. But with modulus, when x is there, it is going to be differentiable. Now one more question. This question came in board exam. This question came in board exam for which year? 2020. Now another one question is there. We are going to do that question. Differentiability will be finished like same concept they will be asking. That part we are going to do. Okay. So now next question is, get ready for the next question. After the direct differentiation we will start. F of x is equal to, write down. F of x is equal to x square if x is greater equals 1 and x, many people are doing this mistake. They are totally following NCRT right now. If you see sample paper, more than NCRT they have written the content. If you will be strictly solving only NCRT and going with little bit fluctuations to 100% that like feeling will be there. We should be solving all pattern questions. Correct? Come out and solve at least. Go and go for this question. Then you have to check for what is the critical point. C value here is 1. You have to check differentiability at 1. Sorry, good evening, good afternoon. Now, beta, what we have to do here, left side and right side. Here, less than part they have given x, greater than part. You see arrows and then. Don't think that this is first written means this is LHD. This is not LHD. Where less than is there, that part will become LHD. Where greater is there, that part will become RHD. So here, LHD left hand derivative at x equal to 1. So what you are going to write? Limit x tends to 0, f of 1 minus h minus f of 1 by minus h. So wherever c was there, we are going to substitute there. Please note down this. Wherever c was there, we just substituted there. Now beta, what for less than type, what is your function? X. So that means f of x, this is LHD portion because it is left. Greater is right, smaller is left. Please kindly understand this. Greater is right. When x is less than 1, you are going towards LHD. When x is greater equals 1, you are going towards RHD. Just you have to substitute and check here. So when you are writing like this, f of x is x. Then f of 1 minus h will become 1 minus h. F of 1 will become 1. So these three values we are going to substitute here. So your limit h tends to 0. This is 1 minus h minus 1 by minus h. Cancel minus h will become here 1. So LHD value is very nicely coming as 1. And this is the way to solve the differentiability. Please come out of NCRT. Some section questions are definitely going to be tough. So RHD when you are solving, when you are going for RHD, what you are going to do? RHD at x equal to 1. Now here, limit x tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 by x. So what is given to you? Here f of x is given as x square. That means f of 1 plus h will become 1 plus h whole square. And f of 1 will become 1 square and that is 1. So these three values we are very desperately needing. We got that. Now we only have to substitute here. So limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h is 1 plus h whole square minus 1 by h. So what you are going to write? Limit h tends to 0, 1 plus x square plus 2h minus 1 by h. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Limit x tends to 0, take h common. H plus 2 by h cancel. This is coming as 2. Where your LHD came as 1, RHD is coming as 2. So is it going to be continuous? It is, sorry, is it going to be differentiable? No. That's it. LHD is coming as 1, RHD is coming as 2. So it is not going to be differentiable at x equal to 1. Note down, this is the most shortest way of solving. Did you understood how to attempt this type of questions? Continuity difference a little bit. Okay? Done? Can I expect you people to do it? Huh? Some questions I am going to send for you people with solutions that you can practice that. So now I am going to go for differentiation. Done? See, if somebody will ask you to check differentiability for different questions, will you be able to check? One question is there, you need to check the differentiability and continuity both. Okay? The question is, please check f of x is equal to x square sine of 1 by x. You need to check differentiability also and continuity at x equal to 0. Check continuity and differentiability both. Because if you solve this question, means both sine x part I told you, na, that will become easy for you. Come on, go for it, please. Which one you want to do first, continuity or differentiability? Continuity? Go for it. But if in your place I will be there, means I will do differentiability. Whatever is differentiable, it is 100% continuous. Come on, try at least. You do both. Sorry, sis, my. Santosh. Sorry, she's online right now. Can I solve? First, differentiability, you might be having problem. Can I go for differentiability? LHD at x equal to 0. What are you going to write? 0 minus h. Directly you write that number. Now look at LHD at x equal to 0. It will become limit h tends to 0. F of 0 minus h minus f of 0 by minus h. Directly will use this formula. So what we are going to write? Limit h tends to 0. What is your f of x beta? F of x is sine of 1 by x. So what is f of 0 minus h? 0 minus h whole square sine of 1 by 0 minus h. Correct? No? And when somebody will be writing f of 0, then it will become 0 into sine 1 by 0. So since 0 multiplied to this, it will become 0. Why? Because 0 into oscillation between minus 1 to plus 1. Please don't forget to write this one. Here now in rough section you must identify this part because 1 by 0 means infinity will come. Understood? So we must write that it is not infinity, it is oscillation between minus 1 to plus 1. This line must be indicated, then only it will become 0. Okay? So now here we are going to substitute, it will become this sine of 1 by h minus 0 by minus h. Done? So better here this h limit h tends to 0 h square sine of here minus will come out minus sine of 1 by h minus h. So this cancel, this cancel. So what is the final content coming here? I am solving this one. It is coming as limit h tends to 0 h sine of 1 by h. Then just check one last short bit. H is coming. 1 by h is there now. So just here it will become what I told you now. 0 into oscillation between minus 1 to plus 1. So answer is coming as 0. But it is 1 by h. And that will become big. After class I will tell you. H means h only. 1 by h will change. Understood? So only we did not get that. Understood? But here it is there. Now listen everybody. When limit x tends to 0, then only sin x by x will come. Then only it will become 1. Here x tends to 0, here 1 by x is there. RHD, same part will come. RHD at x equal to 0. Directly we will write limit x tends to 0. F of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. What it will become? Limit h tends to 0. Here it will become what beta? H square sine of 1 by h minus 0. Because oscillation between minus 1 to plus 1 by h. So this limit h tends to 0. H square sine 1 by h by h. Cancel. It is 0 into oscillation between minus 1 to plus 1. So answer is coming as 0. So left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. Directly that part I removed na yaar. Directly x I wrote, h I wrote. So if directly h we are writing, then that part is not needed. Sorry, I'm saying. You are understanding, Subhinesh? I'm just saving you people with difficulty. Because after that, direct application, you see this part application is easier. Who is this? So I hope LHD. So if it is differentiable means it is continuous. So anything which is differentiable is 100% going to be continuous, and that's very, very important. Understood? Directly with h tends to 0 you will take means you will be saving time. Otherwise you have to again transform, you have to write for h and then you have to do. So directly means direct application of formula and differentiability. We are not expecting more questions from differentiability. We have showed you that continuity MCQ is coming. Understood? Continuity, what is coming? MCQ. And if they are not asking in MCQ, means 1-2 mark question is for asking the variable. Understood? But one question is there, that screenshot I am going to send you in group. This question you must practice. 2-3 questions I am sending you that you must practice in home before going for examination. Now we will keep the session at 7 o'clock sharp. I am going to start. Maybe I'll hear only starting, miss. Is it okay for you people? Coming people could miss, I'll ask from driver if it is available, miss, I'll go there, or from here also. But I will start differentiation, second short differentiation, then I will start for rate measures. We'll go rate measures and other sections. Okay? Let's take a gap of 3 hours, but in 3 hours I'm sending work for you people. Do it.